guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the cup song, and I just wanted to give a shout out to a friend of mine named Garrett. I saw him doing it and I thought it was so cute, so I thought I'd try to do it, and I'll be saying more about him at the end, so go check that out. I mean, don't go check it out, just stay to the end, please. And if you like it, please subscribe. Wait, no, don't subscribe yet, because that would be like me forcing you to. Go to about halfway into the video, or even all the way to the end, and then if you like me, then you should subscribe, so you know what you're dealing with. Yeah. Anyway, let's get on to the video. Let's get started with part 1. So you're gonna clap 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So try to do that a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now let's move on to the next part. So if you have, after you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then you're gonna clap again. 1. Then you're gonna grab the cup, and you're gonna drop the cup. Okay? Clap, grab, drop. Clap, grab, drop. Put it back in its place before you restart. Clap, grab, drop. Because if you just, it's going to end up going off the table. So you want to put it back in its spot. Clap, grab, drop. Oops. Clap, grab, drop. Clap, grab, drop. Clap, grab, drop. Okay? Now let's stick them together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, grab, drop. Try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, grab, drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, grab, drop. Alright, if you guys didn't get it, then you can just go back and watch me demonstrate it again. I will show you how it looks at the end. So let's move on to part 2. Now we're moving on to part 2. This one's a little bit more complicated, but I'm sure y'all will get it. So let's get started. For this one, you're also going to start clapping, but just once. So you clap 1. Then this part is definitely the hardest of the whole song, but it's really easy once you get it. So you're going to have to grab it like this. And if you guys don't understand how to get it, it's really easy. So take the cup and put it in front of you. And point your hand, I'll do it kind of like this. Point your hand facing the cup. Then twist your hand to face away from you. So like this. Set it at the cup. Twist it, and then all you have to do is put it beside and grab. Okay? If that didn't make any sense at all, then that was just, it makes sense to me because I've been doing it for so long, so I don't really know how to explain it, but all you have to do is just kind of twist your hand the complete opposite direction. Oops, and grab it. Okay? So let's go. 1, grab. You want to kind of make some noise. 1, grab. Then you're going to come up. You don't want to touch the ground. So 1, grab, pick up. Then you want to hit your hand like this to make some noise. Then you want to hit the ground. Then you want to change hands. Then you want to hit the ground. And then you want to hit the ground again. Depending on how you grab it, this one is entirely up to you. When you're trading, you can grab it, however. I wouldn't grab it like this though. You grab it like here or here, like, and you can change. Okay? So let's try it again. 1, grab, hit, da, da, da. Let's try it again. 1, grab, da, da, da. I don't know why I was saying grab every time. Try a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What? I'm sorry, guys. 1, grab, hit, grab, hit, twist. Now let's try it all together. Sorry for the malfunction, but I think we're back on, so let's try this again. So we're going to do it 4 times, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm not really going to be showing you how to do it. I'm just going to be kind of, at the end you'll see me singing and doing it at the same time. I've been practicing this for who knows how long. I've known it for like 2-3 years maybe. Probably more than that. So it might take a while before you're able to do the song, but that's perfectly fine. So, alright. Let's do this 4 times, guys. Let's hope we can do it 4 times without the camera falling. Alright, let's do this. 1. Say the numbers with me as you're doing it. 2. You know what? Let's say the number every time. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Oh my gosh. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4 4. Alright, we did it. That was funny. Y'all should definitely do that. Do it. 20, 100. Don't stop. Just do it as long as you want, okay? Let's go to the ending song. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle Pepsi for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way around. The one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair, you're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. If you enjoyed this video, if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I just wanted to say this because I'm so thankful. Garrett, thank you so much for giving me this idea. I feel like this was such an easy one to do, and I really hope this was easy for you to understand. And for the rest of you, I hope it was easy for you to understand too. And if you have any other ideas, just please put them in the comments or give me a message, something like that. It would be so great. And I'd love to try it and give you guys a shout out too. So thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.